Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about WP SiteSync for Easy Digital Downloads. If you have an Easy Digital Downloads website and you need to create products and update products regularly, this is a great tool for you to be able to create these products on your local site and then send them up to your live site. That way you're not impacting your live site in any way, shape, or form while you're building and creating new products. As you can see on my screen here, I've got two sites. I've got one that I will call my development site, and then I've got one that I will call my live site or my target site. So for the sake of this video, we're going to pretend that this is my live site on the right with the red administration bar, and on the left side is my development site with the green bar. Um, I have installed as my plugins a very basic site, and I have got easy digital downloads, of course, and then I've got WP SiteSync for content, and WP SiteSync for EDD, and then WP SiteSync for bulk actions. I also have authors and menus installed, but I won't be using them for this video. And you'll see that also on the right-hand side, I've installed exactly the same plugins. Now, if you are familiar with easy digital downloads, you know that EDD calls their products downloads. As you can see on both my local site and my live site, I've got no downloads created. So for this video, I'm going to create a couple of products. And I'm just going to really basically be cutting and pasting from our WP SiteSync site with the names, with the descriptions and everything, just to make it quick and easy. So I'm going to find on the right-hand side here, WP SiteSync for EDD, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add a new product, and then I'll add a description, and then we're going to put it at a price of $49. And then we need to, since it is a digital download, we do need a file. So I will add this from here, and then we're good to go. And here I'm going to publish it. Okay. Now if I click push to target, you'll see over on the right hand side, if I refresh my screen, I now have it. I see that I have content successfully sent to target site. Now, if one thing that I didn't do was I forgot to add a category here on this description. So if I want to make an update, I can do it once again on my local site. And then once I've changed the category, I've added a category to it to be a synchronization, I can now update it. And just to show you that WP SiteSync does do its checks before it updates anything, on the right-hand side you can see that I am actually in the product. So now that I've updated, if I want to push it, what I'm going to get is I'm going to get an error that says that the product is actually in use right now. So I'll have to get out. And then sometimes I have to wait for a few seconds while it clears the cache. We'll give it a try. And there we go. And now we have it. And if I do a refresh, you will see that the category has been updated. But let's say, for the sake of this video once again, that I want to create several products before I upload them. Well, that's why the bulk extension is so nice, because I can create several products on the left-hand side on my local site, and then when I'm ready, I can push them all to the live site. And I'll just show you really quickly how that works. Once again, I'm going to go off screen here and go to my downloads, and I'll pick another download. Let's just say WP SiteSync for bulk actions sounds good. So let me go into that product, and I'm going to add a new one, and I'll just cut and paste again. So I'll paste that information in along with the video, and we'll put a price again of $49. And we're going to then put in the file name and the URL. And we have everything else set, and then I'll go ahead and publish it. Oh, I forgot to add a category again, so I'm just going to go ahead and update that. Okay, and so now if I go to all my downloads, you'll see that I have two. With the bulk actions extension, it's very simple. All you have to do is select anything that you'd want to update. So we'll just say that we want to do these two. And I'm going to go ahead and trash this one so you can see we're starting with a blank slate. And now I'm going to now that I've selected these two, I'm going to push them to target. And there we go. And now if I do a refresh, there they are. They're all back there, and they all have the proper category and everything. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple, very straightforward. Of course, you can use other extensions with the WP Site Sync for easy digital downloads. You can use the auto sync capability and the auto publish capability, which means that any time that you publish it locally, and it'll just automatically publish it to the live site. So that's it. We hope that you enjoyed this video and you saw how quick and easy it is to use WP Site Sync for easy digital downloads. And of course, if you'd like to see any other videos or you found this video useful, we'd love to hear about it. And we'd love to hear about your comments and suggestions as well. So thank you very much and have a great day.